Imagine holding a camera that never gets old. A camera that actually gets better, faster, and smarter while sitting in your bag. Sounds completely crazy, right? But that is exactly what is happening right now in the photography world. If you're not familiar with the Nikon Z9 by now, you're missing out on a massive shift in camera technology. This is Nikon's absolute flagship camera in their Mirrorless Z lineup. It is not just a camera. It is a true beast of a machine. It is a 45.7 megapixel monster. It features a revolutionary stacked sensor. This sensor design changes everything about how we take pictures. The sensor is so incredibly fast that the camera does not even need a mechanical shutter. Think about that fact for a second. The physical, moving curtain that has been in cameras for decades is gone. The parts that usually wear out or break over time simply do not exist in this body. It is pure digital speed. It is silent. It is lethal for capturing action. And over the last few years, Nikon has done something truly amazing with this exact camera. They have treated this professional tool like a smart device. They have consistently given it major upgrades through firmware updates. We are not talking about small bug fixes here. We're talking about massive feature drops that totally changed the camera. These past updates unlocked RAW for high-end video recording. They added an incredible auto capture system. They gave us pre-release capture to ensure you literally never miss a crucial moment again. They even added high residential zoom to give your prime lenses extra reach. Those are just a few examples of how the Z9 keeps evolving and pulling ahead of the competition. And today, the incredible story of this camera gets even better. Nikon keeps delivering marked improvements to this full-frame beast. They just dropped firmware version 5.3, and it is an absolute game changer for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The absolute biggest improvements coming in this brand new update are all centered around autofocus. Let's be honest with ourselves for a minute. Autofocus is everything in modern photography. If your shot is out of focus, nothing else matters. You cannot fix a blurry subject in editing. Professional photographers know this frustrating struggle perfectly. This is especially true for those who track fast-moving athletes. Sports photographers deal with chaotic scenes. They deal with unpredictable movements. They need gear they can trust completely without second-guessing. With Firmware 5.3, those pros now benefit from a massive leap forward. They now get the absolute best and most accurate human detection in any Nikon camera to date. It is a total overhaul of how the camera sees people. The tracking is significantly better than it was yesterday. The stability of the focus box is rock solid. It sticks to the subject like glue. This incredible stability yields even more frames that are totally tack sharp. You get the focus exactly where you want it every single time you hold down the button. It is like having a tiny, brilliant focus assistant built right into the digital brain of your camera. But the engineers at Nikon certainly did not stop at human detection. All 9 algorithms for subject detection have been heavily enhanced. The Z9 does not just look for people. It looks for animals. It looks for vehicles. It looks for birds, cars, airplanes, motorcycles, trains, and bicycles. Every single one of those 9 unique algorithms has been fine-tuned in Firmware 5.3. Whether you're shooting birds in flight or race cars on a track, the camera finds them faster. It acquires the moving target with incredible pinpoint accuracy. Now, speaking of subject detection, there is a massive first included in this firmware update. Both single point AF and dynamic area AF now feature full subject detection. This is a first for any Nikon camera ever made. Why is this such a huge deal? Let me explain the magic behind it. In the past, subject detection was usually tied to wider focus area modes. You had to let the camera scan the whole entire scene and hope it picked the right thing. But sometimes a scene is just too crowded. Sometimes you want strict, absolute control over what you are shooting. You want to pick the exact spot to focus on. Now you finally can. This means that every single AF area mode can utilize subject detection. The only exception is the tiny pinpo, int mode. Everything else is now heavily powered by Nikon's deep learning AI technology. You simply point your small focus box at a subject. The camera's AI takes over instantly and locks on the eye. You get the control of a single point with the pure intelligence of a supercomputer. Now, most experienced Z9 shooters know a very specific secret about shooting in the real world. Subject detection is generally amazing, but it is not ideal to use in every single situation you face. Sometimes the scene you're looking at is just way too cluttered. Sometimes there are faces in the crowd that distract the AI. Sometimes you just want good old-fashioned manual control over your focus point. Photographers have been begging Nikon for a quick way to manage this problem. You've been asking for a way to quickly turn subject detection on and off. You do not want to dig through complex menus while the action is happening right in front of you. Well, Nikon listened to your feedback. Now you have exactly what you asked for. Subject detection can now be easily toggled on and off via the custom FN button. It is placed perfectly right there at your fingertips. Imagine you're shooting a basketball game. The AI is tracking the star player perfectly. Suddenly, a referee steps right into your line of sight. You just tap the FN button. The AI immediately turns off. You take full manual control of your focus point. The referee walks past. You tap the FN button again. The AI tracking is instantly back on the player. It is beautiful. It is seamless. It keeps you right in the middle of the action without any frustrating delays or missed shots. Let us switch gears and talk about something even wilder in this new firmware. Did you know that the Z9 can actually fully trigger its own shutter automatically when it detects motion? Yes, it can take incredible photos completely by itself. This is an advanced feature called auto capture. It is exactly like setting a highly intelligent, invisible trap for your subject. This brilliant auto capture feature has now been heavily improved in version 5.3. It now features a brand new autofocus standby position. It also includes several other major operability and performance updates. What does this mean for your daily workflow? It gives you the ultimate remote camera setup. It is easily the most intelligent remote shooting system available on the market right now. You can set the camera up on a tripod near a wild bird feeder. You can mount it safely behind the glass at a hockey game. You can place it near the finish line of a sprint. You absolutely do not need any expensive, complicated third-party triggering devices anymore. The camera literally does all the hard work for you. It waits patiently. It watches the frame. It sees the exact action you programmed it to look for. It snaps the perfect, high-resolution photo at the perfect time. And the incredible new features in this update just keep on coming. The Z9 now has a built-in camera focus limiter. If you shoot wildlife or sports, you're going to absolutely love this specific edition. Normally, a focus limiter is a physical switch located on the side of a very large, very expensive telephoto lens. It stops the lens from wasting precious time looking for focus too close to the camera or too far away. But what if your favorite lens does not have that expensive physical switch? Before today, you just had to deal with the slow hunting. Now, it simply does not matter. You can use any single Nikon Z lens and program its near and far focus limit parameters right inside the camera menu. You literally tell the camera exactly where to look and where to ignore. This brilliantly ensures your lens never accidentally focuses on unintended objects in the foreground or the background. It will never again get distracted by a random tree branch right in front of you. It will never get totally lost looking at the distant mountains behind your subject. Your lens moves dramatically faster. Your focus locks on almost instantly. It is a massive free speed upgrade for every single lens you currently own in your camera bag. There is another incredibly smart and highly requested feature hidden deep inside this update. Maximum aperture in live view is now finally available. This sounds technical, but it is actually very simple and very powerful. When you look through the electronic viewfinder of a mirrorless camera, you need a clear, bright image to see what you're doing. Before this update, cameras would often automatically close down the lens aperture to show you the exact depth of field of your final shot. While this sounds helpful, it caused two big problems. It made the viewfinder image significantly darker. More importantly, it gave the camera's autofocus system much less light to work with. Now, with Firmware 5.3, everything changes. You can focus and compose your shot entirely at the lens's maximum brightest aperture. The camera only stops down to your programmed aperture at the exact millisecond you actually take the picture. This amazing change has a massive dual benefit for the photographer. First, it lets the photographer clearly identify the precise plane of focus visually. Everything in the viewfinder is bright, crisp, and beautifully clear. Second, and most importantly, it helps the Z9's autofocus system immensely. It lets the absolute maximum amount of available light hit the sensor while you're tracking a subject. More light means maximum focus accuracy. Even in terrible, dark lighting conditions, your Z9 will now see clearly in the dark and lock onto your target. We are still not done with the surprises Nikon packed into this release. Nikon is pushing the boundaries for creative color and workflow too. The Z9 can now officially import MP3 files directly into the camera. If you're not familiar, these files use Nikon's flexible color picture controls. If you edit your photos or videos, you know exactly how important beautiful color science is. This powerful new update allows you to use the brand new color grading features found in Nikon's NX Studio software. You can sit at your computer. You can build your own custom cinematic color looks. Then, you just save them and load them straight into the camera body. This gives you far more flexibility for creating unique, personal color profiles. You can use these customized looks right in the camera during the exact time of capture. It works flawlessly for still photos. It also works perfectly for high-end video recording. You do not have to wait until you get home to your computer to see your creative vision come to life. You see the final cinematic colors right there on the back screen as you're actively shooting. It speeds up your workflow and fuels your on-set creativity. In my honest opinion, the Nikon Z9 is no longer just a digital camera. It is a bold statement to the entire industry. Nikon is actively proving that they care deeply about their professional users and early adopters. When you spend thousands of hard-earned dollars on a flagship camera body, you generally hope it lasts a few years before becoming totally outdated by a newer model. The Z9 does the exact opposite of that old trend. It actually appreciates in value and capability through these massive, free firmware drops. Firmware 5.3 completely proves that the hardware hidden inside this camera was built light years ahead of its time. The stacked sensor and dual processors are so incredibly powerful that Nikon engineers are just now tapping into their full potential. The enhanced human detection is basically flawless now. The new focus limiters and live view aperture controls are features only actual, working professional photographers would think to ask for. It shows without a doubt that Nikon is actively listening to the creative community. If you shoot fast sports, unpredictable wildlife, or high-end professional video, this camera is practically unmatched on the market right now. It is incredibly reliable. It is built like an absolute tank. And thanks to this update, it is dramatically smarter than ever before. It is the smartest camera investment you can make today. So what are you waiting for? If you're lucky enough to own this absolute powerhouse of a camera, stop what you're doing. Go directly to the official Nikon website right now. These incredible autofocus enhancements, the brilliant auto capture tweaks, the new color controls, and many other secret updates are available in Firmware 5.3 completely free of charge. You can download the file to your memory card and use it to completely supercharge your Z9 today. Make your favorite camera feel brand new all over again in just 5 minutes. Thank you so much for tuning in and exploring this massive camera update with me today. If you liked the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. Share the video with your fellow Nikon photographers so they do not miss out on these free upgrades. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so you're always the absolute first to know when the next big camera update drops. See you in the next video.